Hola amigos, today we're going to be making vegan Tinga tostadas. We start off by heating some olive oil in a large pan, and then we're going to add some sliced white onion, and I like to sprinkle in a little salt over them just to help them cook better. And you're just going to cook those until they're nice and soft. And then I used oyster mushrooms. Now in the recipe card information, I'll give you different vegan protein options that you could use. And you're just going to cook those until they're nice and soft and a little bit crispy around the edges. And then you're going to add some shredded white cabbage. And again, just cook that until it's nice and soft. And while that's all cooking, we're going to make the salsa. And that is made with roma tomatoes, garlic, some salt, and some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. And just blend that until it's nice and smooth. And now you should taste it to make sure that it has enough salt. I don't eat too spicy, so you might want to add more chipotle pepper or less. And then you're just going to pour that over the softened cabbage and mushroom mixture. And then again, we're going to simmer that for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're going to remove the lid, uncover, and then just simmer until all of the sauce has been absorbed and the liquid is evaporated. And then to assemble, you're going to take some tostadas. I used to bake tostadas. You could use fried tostadas. And then you're just going to smear some refried beans, either pinto or black, whatever you'd like. And then you're going to top it with some of the vegan tinga, and of course some vegan crema, some sliced avocado, and I like to add slices of radishes. That's completely up to you. And then I top with my crumbled vegan cotija cheese, and that's it. Super delicious. I hope you try.